Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.